Today we have a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's What Happens When You Run from Police in Florida."
They parked on the wrong side of the road. Both jumped out really fast. I activated my lights. I jump out. Hey, stay in the car, stay in the car, stay in the car. She's tweaking. I get up to her. She gets back in the car. I still have a hold of the door. She's trying to close it. I open, and I was like, hey. I said, hey.
My boy said she tweaking. This gotta be a younger cop. This ain't no older cop.
Stay in the car, stay in the car. She's tweaking. I get up to her. She gets back in the car. I still have a hold of the door. She's trying to close it. I open, and I was like, hey. I said, hey. And I see the gun, so I go to rip her out, and as I do, she takes off. My lights are still activated, but as soon as she hit, like, probably La Rua, yeah, I cut it down, dude. She was at Gonzales, probably when I was at Jackson, maybe.
Like, he had a gun in the car, he pointed it at you.
He had a gun in the car when I tried to take her out. She put it in drive and took off. Headquarters, I found it. I believe it's crashed out, Blunt and P-Papa. Where'd they go?
Blunt and P-Papa.
Where? All right, Blunt and P-Papa. Set me up a perimeter right here. They're saying both females ran behind the house, northbound.
There's a female right there, north of the house. A younger female right there. Black headband on. She just came out.
Where at, Tyler? Right here, north of the house, right here. Tyler, just stay there. I can't tell about her.
Hey, y'all see girls running?
Hold on. Before we start running, I don't.
Is A-Bed here?
No, she's not.
Okay.
Yeah. They're saying they both jumped out, ran around the house.
175. I'm gonna go to P-Papa and Avery.
Somebody's.
If we could get one.
That's not her. That's not her. Build the perimeter, and then I need one here at P-Papa and Blunt. Secure this vehicle and see if the firearm's still inside.
Where do they?
I'll take P-Papa and
Where'd they run?
I don't know. This car was already crashed out before I got up here.
Avery's completely closed.
Where'd they go?
Hey, 159, I'm here already up here. Do you want to go maybe west of it?
Hey, they're gonna be zeroed.
Is that gun still in the car?
No, gun's gone. All right, dog on the ground. Or eastbound on Blunt Street in front of 2200.
So what does the driver look like?
Northbound into 2200. Black female wearing all black, short black hair.
Damn. Describe the suspect. Black skin, black clothes, black hair. Like, damn, bro. Damn, this is crazy. But yeah, man, the saddest part about this thing, I feel like, is the person's car who got hit. You know, it's like you got these criminals just running around, whatever, you know, doing whatever, right? It's like, okay, you want to mess up your life? All right, mess your life up, all right? Mess up your day. But you just crashed into somebody's car. They pissed. It's one thing if, like, okay, if I'm driving and I get into an accident and I cause the accident, all right, I could take that one on the chin. It's my bad. You know what I'm saying? If I'm doing something, it's my bad. But if I get in an accident because of somebody else and somebody else hit me and mess up my car, and now I got to go through, you know, whatever the insurance process and wait for the car to get fixed, and or it might, in some cases, it might be totaled. So now you got to, you know, wait for the payout or whatever the case may be. It's just, come on, man. You just messed up messing your own day up, man. Don't come here fucking up my day, man.
Somebody runs. I need you to yell driver.
Yep.
Okay?
Yep. Backyard at 2200. All right, still northbound on P-Papa in front of 1613. East behind 1613. I'm sorry, west. Still working in the back of 1613.
dog picking up speed.
Passenger.
Stand the trailer, go get that!
All right, 1025 behind 1613 with a passenger. Yes, driver.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that in the corner. Hold on. Let me make it. Hold on. I got you. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Look, she over there running, and she pumped the brakes real quick because he got that weapon drawn, and he is not afraid to blow your wig back, boy. He ready to send you up through there. Look, but before she realized, look, she just running through the house. Look at this. Running through. Hold on. Oh, yeah.
All right,
Pump the
1025 behind
brakes.
1613 with a passenger. Yes, driver.
Okay. I seen her.
All right, roll over. Get up.
Hey,
Unbelievable.
You get that bike off here.
Stop it, Mom. I'm sorry. I don't know.
units on P-Pop and your perimeter eastbound of Pace, please. 1 mile block eastbound down to Pace.
I don't know. Mommy, what? Mommy?
All right, headquarters, we're 1025 with 2 at Marino and Q Queen.
Mom, please, I don't know what's going on.
Go this way.
Oh, this a mother-daughter duo? This a mother-daughter duo. Oh, crap.
I don't know. You're not even going to. Oh, everything on me.
Stop reaching. Stop reaching. Spread your feet for me.
I'm in route to y'all for transport. Come on, dear.
That is okay. I'm going to.
Hey. You are Marino or Mallory? Marino, we got 3 cars here, enough for transport, Sergeant.
Huh?
Copy.
Yes.
Okay.
Huh?
Wait, excuse me.
Yes.
May you get
Hey, we're still missing the 0.
She had a bag next to her.
Contact FHP. This crash is FHP jurisdiction. See if they're going to come work with this, please.
Where did the car actually end up crash at?
P-Pop and blood.
Oh, shit.
P-Pop and blood. It hit 2 parked vehicles.
No, I haven't checked this bag yet, though.
Right now.
Good boy, man. Good boy.
Double 5, if it is.
No.
Hey,
Good
did you search
boy.
through the car? Is that
Hey, we're
crash?
still missing a 0, so you ought to
So, look, I just opened the door and looked where the gun was, and it's not there no more.
That's what I'm saying. With the crash, though, the gun could have flew.
Yeah, it's possible, but there, hey, it was already, like, probably 10 seconds before I got there and found the vehicle crashed out.
That's what I'm saying. You may want to search the car and also search this over here. Back to the house.
Okay. If y'all could go, y'all just stay right here, I guess, a couple of y'all. Let's look for that gun.
You gonna do an article search?
Hey, right here. I think he just found the article.
There's another bag right there. That probably came out of the backpack, fresh right on top. Man, when'd y'all turn to that? Put all your passing alert.
You want to let them chill, or you want to try and do an article?
It's going to be about 10 minutes before I can do an article search on this
What do
video.
you want to do?
Y'all can search for it. Said he's in bad guy mode. He wants to fight stuff, not.
Were they just hiding back here?
What's that?
Were they just hiding right there?
Yeah, she tried to take off running. We saw her to go over there and get bit. She clocked. That was passenger. Thank you for calling out passenger. Then the other female was near her and she ran out.
FHP 26, are we good?
I would search in here very well because they were probably running and throwing.
DPD main.
So.
So I'm backtracking. There's makeup up there and there's makeup right here. That clearly came out of that bag. Trash can's empty.
167.
There they
I'm
go.
not positive from Samaya.
Hey, it's a brand new car.
Oh, there's a lot of guns that fit stall in that county.
What's that?
130.
That is again.
Yeah, you know they gotta have that on you. You know what I'm saying? You know you gotta have. You know you need that. Y'all smokers know what that is. Yeah, y'all know y'all gotta have that on you. That's a given.
Oh, you okay? Hop out for me. Stay right here for me, okay? Thank you. All right, we're gonna walk this way, dear. Come on. And I want you to have a seat on this bench right here, okay? It's right here. All right, Miss Williams, stand up for me. Stand up right up here at this counter, okay?
In the end, the daughter was charged with possession of less than 20 grams of marijuana and resisting arrest without violence. She entered and completed a pretrial diversion program. The mother was charged with possession of a weapon or ammo by a convicted felon, reckless driving causing damage to person or property, operating while driver's license is revoked, resisting arrest without violence, possession of less than 20 grams of marijuana, and failing to leave info at an accident. She was adjudicated guilty on 4 charges and she was sentenced to probation. She also received citations for improper parking and running a stop sign. If you like this video and want to
probation for all of that? Oh yeah, this shit. Yeah, this is this. Now, come on, man. Probation for all of that? Accident, weapon. That no way that's flying here. That's Florida all day, man. That's Florida all day. What? You get caught with a weapon? That's so crazy how each state is different. Doing that in the state of New York, you ain't getting no probation. At least, come on. Nah, you not getting no probation, man. What? Yo, yeah, Florida, sweet boy. I ain't gonna lie. You got the weapon on? You had the weapon? You a felon already? Probation? I'm not too really worried about the possession of the whatever, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But holding a weapon by a convicted felon is, so the states are so different, man. Each state is so different from each other. It's crazy. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.